One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share why they are so happy with us. We love telling everybody about it because we are focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. When our customers send us glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know that we are fulfilling our commitment to give every customer a first-class experience. We just love getting great feedback like this. It is our mandate to satisfy everybody who works with us. We see this as a total win-win situation. So let us put our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience and 5-star customer service to work for you today, and find out how we earn great reviews like this one from one of our happy customers. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.